Hey guys, Sean from TrailGrid Pro. Today I wanted to do a short video on how to remove your factory radio from your 2025 and up Toyota 4Runner. So in case you ever want to add any kind of aftermarket audio or any accessories that you need access to the back of the radio, we need just a couple simple tools. We need a panel popper, 10mm socket, and some sort of protectant, so a blanket, a towel, or fender cover, just to make sure we don't scratch any of our plastics. With that being said, let's hop in, and I'm going to show you exactly how to remove your factory radio. We're going to start up top behind the radio. There's a small cover that we need to remove to access the 4 10mm bolts that actually are holding in the radio. So let's go ahead, pop that cover off, and I'll show you how to do that next. We're going to grab our panel removal tool. Again, metal or plastic. I prefer metal. Just be careful when getting in behind there. So we're going to go in to the side here, get it underneath the plastic cover. So just lift up and then get your hand underneath there and then just lift straight up. You'll see that there's 4 pop clips that are holding that on. So now we can just set that to the side. Now underneath we'll have 4 10mm bolts that are actually holding the entire radio in. So we're gonna go ahead and get those 4 10mm bolts out. Now you can do that with an impact gun, you can do it with a socket wrench, however you choose. They are a little hard to see. So the first one right here. So we got 1 bolt. Second one is just in front of that. 2. Now the other 2 are just on the other side here. 3. And the last one. 4. So let's put these on the floor. So now we want to make sure we have a towel, a blanket, something to cover up this portion of the dash as well as the shifter, just to protect it. So we'll kind of keep that here. Now from there, we're just going to gently wiggle and pull on the screen itself from the outside, and then we can kind of just slide it out. Now take your blanket or mat and just kind of cover over the back of it. So now we have our factory radio out. Super simple process to do. You can make any connections that you need to your factory radio, and then reassembly is just as easy. Slide it back in, put your 4 10mm back in, snap your cover back on, and you're done. So if you have any other questions or looking for any other information on the 2025 Toyota 4Runner, please visit us at trailgridpro.com.